Black soybean tea can help you with weight loss. Drinking Kuromame tea aka black soybean tea can improve your digestion, prevent diabetes, and even aid in weight loss. Losing weight might seem like a daunting task, but little effort on your part can make a huge difference. Making small changes in your daily routine can make a huge impact. Even a cup of tea with the right ingredients can help you shed unwanted kilos. One such tea is the black soybean tea. This Japanese tea is also known as Kuromame tea and contains an antioxidant called anthocyanin, which limits fat absorption by increasing lipid metabolism. It is also laden with several vitamins, which also help in improving digestive health and preventing several cardiovascular diseases. Benefits of Kuromame tea: aids weight loss. Trying to lose weight? Start sipping on black soybean tea. According to the Journal of Medicinal Food, Kuromame tea contains an antioxidant called anthocyanin, which limits fat absorption by increasing lipid metabolism. It is also rich in fiber, which controls your appetite and keeps you full for long. Enables digestion. Unlike other teas, black soybean tea is caffeine-free. Caffeine-loaded teas are known to cause digestive problems. It is also loaded with several nutrients which keep constipation and gastric issues at bay. Good for heart health. Another very significant benefit of black soybean tea is that it can bring down bad cholesterol levels. Regulated levels of cholesterol can further improve blood flow in the body, which in turn reduces the risk of arteriosclerosis, heart attacks, and other cardiovascular problems. Prevents diabetes. Experts believe that this magical drink lowers blood sugar levels among diabetic patients. So, you might want to consider drinking this tea if you are diabetic. Anti-aging. Black soybean tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants and protects the skin from free radical damage. It accelerates cell and tissue regeneration, helps prevent premature aging, and makes your skin soft, supple. How to make black soybean tea. Roast a few black soybeans in a hot pan. Switch off the flame as soon as the skin starts to split. Pour water into a separate pan and add roasted black soybeans to it. Simmer for a couple of minutes before taking it off the heat. Disclaimer: all content, including tips and suggestions, is entirely based on research and data available on the internet. So, it is advised not to construe it as professional medical advice, and consult a doctor before making any changes in your diet.